Hi everyone, my name is Roshan and I am from IIT Hyderabad Chemistry Department. So in this series of General Aptitude, we are aiming to complete this part of 2022 GATE exam. So today we are actually doing this for 2021 paper. Okay, then let's start. Okay, so the very first question, it's saying that so the getting to the top is dash, then staying on the top. So it will be more, it is more easy, it's much easy, it cannot be much easy, it cannot be more easy, it cannot be easiest, because it is a superlative, not the comparative. Sorry, it is a comparative, not the superlative. If it is a superlative sentence, then it is the easiest one. Okay, so in our this question, the D will be our answer, easier. Our next question, that the mirror image of this above text of the x-axis. This is our x-axis. So x-axis, so we need the mirror image. Okay, so how it will look like? So we can draw from here. So if you can imagine here, so it is look like with this. So if you check all the options, the option B will be our correct answer. Okay, so next question is, in a company 35% of employee drink coffee, 40% drinks tea, and 10% employees drink both tea and coffee, and what the percentage is employee drink neither tea or coffee. So this type of question is very popular or common in this GATE exam. So kindly check give the importance on this. Okay, so for this we need need to draw the Venn diagram. So if you draw the Venn diagram, so from this you can check that this is a coffee, this is a tea. Okay, so 35%. So if all over you can change that the x is the total number of employee. So 35% coffee means coffee is 0.35x. So 0.35x, and tea is 40%. So tea will be 0.4x. So tea is 0.4x. So in between, the 10% is both tea and coffee. So this part is both tea and coffee, that is 10%, so 0.1x. So for this, so we need to what this question asks, that what the percentage of employees that drink neither tea or neither coffee. So for these we have to do, so according to the question, that 1/35x plus 0.4x minus 0.1x, because this part we are considering 2 times, so we have to subtract 1 time. So if it is plus the, if it is y is, if we can check, y is the total percentage of that percentage of that employee that don't drink or coffee. Okay, so y will be, it will be x. So if we solve this one, so 35 and 40, so it will be minus 35. So it is 35, so 0.65 x plus y will be x. So y will be x minus 0.65, x minus 0.65 x, so it will be 0.35x. So 35% employees drink neither tea or neither coffee. Okay, our next question is that this is the operators, and P or Q is the operator on the numbers of P and Q and such numbers. So this operator works like this one, and this operator looks like. So this is the equation. So it asks then what will be the x. So what will be the x? From the equation we can check that x plus y is a 2 dot. Okay, so this operator, the x, this looks means x square plus y square by xy eta and this will be p square by q, so it will be 2 square by 2, overall it will be 2. So that means x square plus y square is equal to 2xy. It means x minus y whole square, it will be 0. It is x is equal to y from this equation. So B will be our correct answer. Okay. So our next question is the 4 person PQRS to be seated in a row, all facing in the same direction, look like it's the same direction, and but not necessary in the same order. P and R cannot sit adjacent. Okay, it means in between P and R there is another person will be there always, and S should be seated right to the Q. If it is S, if it is Q, then right to Q, S will be there. Okay, and number of distinct sitting arrangement will be possible. So first check, these are the 4 spaces are there. So according to this, if we put P here, okay, and R here, because in between P and R cannot sit adjacent, so if you can, so in Q here it is S here, so it can be it arrangement. So if you alternate the position of P and R, so we cannot alternate the position of QS, because S always the right hand side of the Q. So Q and S, R and P. So this is another arrangement. So in next case, if we do that, P here and R here, Q here, S here, again the another arrangement will be R here, P here, Q and S. So 4 arrangement. And another possible way, it is P here, R here, because in between more percentage, not only 1, it can be greater than 1, because it's saying like this. So it will be Q here, S here. So the arrangement will be again, if you can alternate the position of P and R, so it will be QS R P. So these are the 6 possible way of arrangement according to the question. Okay, so C will be our answer, 6. And next question, the statement that either P marries Q or X marries Y. So it asks among the option below the logical negation means is the opposite one, okay, of the above statement. So first option, you can see that the P doesn't marry Q and X marries Y. So it doesn't negation, because this is the not the negation. The second is neither P marries Q nor Q marries X. So this will be our answer, because it is saying that neither. So either opposite is neither, and or opposite is nor. So it is our answer. You can check the other options also, but B is our answer. Okay. So our next question is, consider 2 rectangle seats M and N, dimension are X 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, each one. So it will be, it is 6 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. Okay, and first operation is the seat is folded half by joining the short edges. This is the short edges. Okay, and the second operation is the seat is folded half by joining the long edges. So there is 2 seats M and N, both have the same dimensions. If it is M, so it is N. It is also 6 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter. This is N. So folding the operation 1 carried out on M 3 times. Operation 1, what he says that the seat is folded into half by joining the short edges. This is the short edges. Okay, if you do, this is the short edges, this is the short edges. So if you do though, okay, so short edges, if you fold this one, so it will be look like this one. So it will be like it is 3 centimeter now, it will be 4 centimeter. In second operation, it again you have to do the same operation. When you have to do like in 3. So it is not, sorry, this is the 4 centimeter. So now this will be our shortest one. So again it will look like this one. So now it is 3, it is 2. Okay, again with the first, second operation, second time, the first operation, third time will be there. Now 2 is a small one, so again this one. So it is 2, and this will be 1.5, 1.5. Okay, so this will look like this one. And the second operation is on n. Now what is saying that from longer edges it will be folded. For longer edges means 6 longer edges will be meet each other, so it will be look like 2 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Again the longer edges will be look like 6, so it will be look like 6 centimeter, 1 centimeter. And again if doing this, so if we do 6 centimeter and it is 0.5. So what will be the perimeter of this one? The perimeter will be, for this case, perimeter will be 2 into 2 plus 1.5. 2 plus 1.5 is 3.5. 3.5 into 2, it is 7. Okay, and this one 6.5 into 2, so it will be 13. So the ratio, it asking the ratio of parameter final folded to n to s. This is n, this is m. Okay, the n by n ratio of m will be 13 ratio of 7. Okay, so A will be our correct answer. So our next question is the 5 line segment equal length of PR, this is PR, and PS, QS, QT and RT are used to form a star as shown is the figure. Okay, and the theta, value of theta in degrees is asking. So this is it asking. So for this we have to know equation that this is a polygon. The inner angle, the sum of the inner angles will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here the polygon means the 5 member ring. So 5 member ring is the n will be 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So this will be 3 into 180, that is 540 degree. So inner angles, sum of the inner angles will be 540 degree. So from this figure we can see that all the angles are same, because all the sides are same of this 5 member ring. So it will be the each angle will be 540 degree by 5, so it will be 108. So this angle is 108. Okay, so we can see that the triangle, this is a triangle, that these two sides are same. So if these two sides are same, so these two angle will be same, these two angle will be same. Okay, so if these two angle will be same, so from the equation we can say that this angle will be 180 degree minus 108, so that is 72 degree. So this is 72 degree, this is also 72 degree. So our theta will be because all the sum of the angles, inner angles of a triangle is the 180 degree, we know that. So 180 degree minus 2 into 72 degree, so that is 180 degree minus 144, that is gives us 36 degree. So 36 our answer. Okay, A will be our correct answer. Our next question is this is the function is giving here. Okay, so the value of this one, so for the value of this one, if we can check that, okay, PQ, if P is greater than equal to Q, then this will be our lambda, and if Q is greater than P, then this will be our lambda. So from the equation we can check that from lambda it means minus of, this will be minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay, and by it will be minus of minus 1. Okay, so here it will be 1 comma 1 by 1. So if it is 1 minus 1, so it is know that if it is equal to sign, so lambda will be p minus q square. So 1 minus 1 square, it is 0. So 0 will be our correct answer. So our next question and the last one, very last one, the human being have the ability to construct the worlds entirely in their mind, which doesn't exist in physical world, and so far we know that no other species possesses this ability. Okay, and the skill is so important that we have different words to refer to its different flavors, such as imagination, invention and innovation. So this type of passage is very common in these exams, and for this question you have to attempt, so you have to read that passage carefully, then look into that options. Okay, then one by one you remove or eliminate that options, then you can check the can do the correct answer. Okay, so first option is no species possesses the ability to construct the worlds in the world. It is not, because humans have the, it's saying, have that ability. So the terms imagination, invention, innovation refer to unrelated skills. No, it's not also correct. So we do not know of any species other than humans who possess the ability to construct mental worlds. This will be our correct answer. So in the last option we also can check that imagination, invention, innovation are unrelated the ability to construct the mental worlds. So this will also be the not correct answer. So C will be our correct answer. So by this we are completed this general aptitude part of this paper. So we hope that you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe and share, and you can like and give you can also suggest us to in which topic you want the video. So we'll try to make the videos on these areas. Okay, thank you.